For my sisters, nephews, niece, brother-in-law, who came all the way from the US, from the Middle East, and Singapore. Thank you for the love and support for being with us today.
To our principal sponsors, for accepting the role of being our second parents, willing and prepared to guide and support us in our lives as husband and wife. Thank you very much. We hope we could stay in touch.
For my friends from Singapore, who took time to be with us today, to join us to celebrate this special day. Thank you so much.
Coming all the way from abroad, we truly and sincerely appreciate your efforts to be with us today. Our prayers will be with all of you for your safe return to your respective homes.
For everyone else who put their part in the pre-wedding event preparations and arrangement, especially to Emmy and Alan, we thank you. To our hoteliers, makeup artist, photo artist, florist, and wedding coordinator, thank you for your talent and creativeness, making our wedding a unicorn.
I'd like to give special credit and deep appreciation to Pamela, who has played a very significant role of all the efforts and time spent helping and assisting Malai in so many ways. You are so sweet. Thank you very much.
Special thanks to my husband Dave for all the patience, understanding and support throughout the elaborate wedding preparation, standing by me in every phase despite his busy schedule, going out of his way to make my Catholic wedding dream come true.